Nice daily driver, single 12. Sounds good, man. Nice. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Okay.
He was on your YouTube video.
Okay.
His name was Joseph Master's car.
Okay.
He had a Dodge pickup truck.
Okay. Yeah.
612.
Okay.
412.
Yes, sir. Nice. Nice.
Well, it's marked 3K and then a power piece cam.
Okay.
Box built to 32 hertz.
So single 12 ZV5?
No, X.
The X. X. Okay. Nice.
It's a daily drive.
Have you tried mounting the subwoofer and box facing the other way?
Yeah. It just tears the whole trunk.
Oh, so it's louder this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks good.
Yeah.
And you got a platform for it, so the box doesn't move, I'm guessing?
It's folded down. Joseph built this platform, my old platform with like a carpet platform.
Yeah.
And the box is something right in there.
Okay. Is it louder with this down?
Yeah.
It is?
Way
Okay.
louder.
Oh, yeah. And this is that 1 ohm?
Yeah, 2 ohm.
So it's a dual 4 too.
Yeah.
So you're only getting about 12 to 1500.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tuned by Rogan by Night Flight.
Yeah.
Is auto tech.
270? 320, something like that. Okay. Nice.
320.
Honda Accord? Accord, okay. All right. Nice. And what was your name?
Nick.
Nick. All right, Nick. Very nice. And this is a power acoustic 4-channel Banff. Okay.
Yep. That's the second one I had.
Okay. Did that box just slide in, or you had to build it in the vehicle, or
Slide
is it
in.
slide in? Okay.
Slide it in, torch the box, set the box up. It's like 4 sheets of, like 3 sheets of wood.
Oh wow. Okay. Really well built. I can see it. Double baffled everywhere. Did
That's
good.
how I want it. The
Yeah.
Like so I say, Joseph, he the one tuned it, built the box. So
Yes, sir.
basically, he tuned it 32.
Okay.
I got a 10 box at the house. I'm from Brunswick.
Brunswick. Okay. And do you know your peak frequency or SPL or anything? Yeah.
It's
all good. Daily driver.
Daily drive.
All right.
I go back and forth to work.
That's a.
Go back and forth to the board.
Yes,
I
sir.
came down here for work. They told me to come down here and get on the video on your YouTube channel.
Yeah, man. Oh, okay. Well, you made it. Nice to meet you, man. All right.
Like, this is like my 3rd year. And
Okay.
this really got me into it. It's a truck behind you.
Really? Okay. What's your 18s?
Yeah.
Okay.
He the one got me into it.
Awesome, man. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Looks good.
Like the burning end of a midnight cigarette, she broke his heart. He spent his whole life trying to forget. Watched him drink his pain away. But he never could get drunk enough to get her off his mind. He put that bottle to his head and pulled the trigger.
like down to like 25, 26 or so. That was good. What frequency? 25. Wow, nice. That was Whiskey's.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a good demo song, man. I appreciate you showing me.
Yep.
Nice daily driver, single 12. Sounds good, man.
I'll get you next.
Yeah.
You did it last year and it had a totally different setup.
Yeah, okay.